So I've used the Impartner platform with two different companies, and I think it's been pretty amazing. So when you come across Impartner, especially when you're in the channel and you can see all the different pillars that they're taking care of, so it's kind of like a no-brainer for us, where we had a separate software solution for each one of the things that Impartner does, and then you can pull so much of that under one umbrella. It's kind of a game changer for most companies that have a large channel. Impartner kind of moves or removes all of those barriers for you. You can plan your program and execute that like pretty much whenever you want with Impartner. So that's like a key differentiation between how a lot of companies are doing their channel programs to, okay, I can move to Impartner and kind of take care of all of that in just one sort of fell swoop. It's a much more integrated, seamless experience. And then as the user gets used to that particular Impartner experience, it's all sort of the same and repeatable. Now, it's not necessarily going to solve all of the point solutions you may need. You may have an LMS system, you may have some other type of system you need to plug into, but for the most part, you can keep it very consistent between what Impartner has and not have so many different point solutions that could have a completely different UI. The other key thing is also deal registration, because if you're doing your deal registration in Impartner and it's coming over as a lead record in most cases, and then that lead record is converted or approved to an opportunity, then all of that's integrated. So, you know, that conversion process is taking place in Salesforce, but then that's also rendering back into Impartner so the partner can see their opportunity and progress that through the sales stages, and all of the information is shared. So any update the partner's making, the sales rep sees. Any update the sales rep see, the partner can see, and that's all dictated by your program or how you want to set it up. So you can show certain fields and not certain fields, certain values, not certain values, however you want to design that. It's all there, and that's actually very easy to do that piece because you can build your forms, you can build the integrations from Salesforce to those forms. You can pick any field you want from Salesforce to display to a partner and Impartner. So all of that stuff is super easy to do. Our previous partner portal was just very one-dimensional, very looked like a 90s kind of website, like you know, Internet 1.0. So the menus were awkward, the content was basically unmanageable. And when we first as a company saw Impartner and how the interface was so much prettier, easier to use than what we had before, that was sort of a key change for us, where, you know, we're a data company and we're providing this type of platform to our partners who are supposed to be implementing a very complex product, and we can't even build or show you know, beautiful portal where you could easily access it and get the things that you need. We really wanted to kind of shift that really flat one-dimensional type of experience and have a really robust experience for our partners. And that was easy. It was easy to sort of deliver everything that we had on our old portal, but in a much better way. And that was sort of our key thing, and one of our buying decisions is these are the key things it needs to do, and it did that like pretty much right out of the box. So one of the other things that we were able to do with Impartner, especially with the integration, is we created a contracts tab within Impartner. So that was basically pulling the contracts module from Salesforce, making it visible to the partner. So every time a partner closes a deal or is involved in the deal, we can stamp not only the opportunity, but generate a contract. And we could say, you know, the partner in some cases may hold the contract or contributed in some way. So it's just, if you have the partner account referenced on the contract, you can share that in Impartner. You can have a list of contracts in Impartner, and it's a great thing for the partner because they can go in and say, oh, what did that customer buy? I can look at that contract, I can see all of the line items on the contract. I can know the term, I can know the products, I can know whatever the configuration is that was sold is sitting right there. I would recommend Impartner to future buyers because it does so many things and it's in one place, and it's so much easier to manage all aspects of your channel sales program, process, operations. It's really key that there's so much functionality into it.